Good evening, all of you. My good friend M.N. Vidyashankar, President India Electronic Semiconductor Association, uh, Director STPI Bangalore, Shri P.K. Das, my colleagues from STPI Bangalore, participants in this evening of award function, Make in India 2015, all the exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first begin with congratulating all the award winners under Make in India Pavilion of STPI, and also congratulating all the STPI incubatees who have been given the certificate of appreciation by STPI. It's indeed a pleasure to be part of this kind of journey that is being undertaken by youth of this country who are venturing into a lot of entrepreneurship across the verticals. And it was very heartening to see while I was visiting the pavilion that the young people, talking to each other, meeting with each other, exchanging the ideas, that the kind of peer learning and the kind of leveraging from the platform that has been provided by the CBIT Bangalore 2015. I am sure that this kind of effort and the energy and optimism and entrepreneurship that is being exhibited and displayed by the young youths of this country would realize the vision of Make in India that has been led by the Honorable Prime Minister of this country. Make in India is not merely a vision, but the need and necessity for this nation. It's a compulsion. Because as my good friend M.N. Vidyasankar has just said, that there is a large gap between the jobs that we need and jobs we create. And the large gap between, the goods we produce and goods we consume. And therefore, we are importing a lot and creating job on our cost to other countrymen. We import a lot. And that's why it has become very important for us to innovate, to get into entrepreneurship and become, and rather than being job seekers, we should be able to create jobs and give jobs and create wealth, value, and IPR for this country so that we prosper in coming decades, coming times. At the same time, I would say that time is very ripe and all the stakeholders are working together to realize that vision that has been laid under Digital India initiative by Government of India and Make in India vision that has been laid. In fact, if you look at the Digital India vision, the ninth pillar talks about making India realization, self-reliant in terms of manufacturing, in terms of 2020, it is the resolve of the government and the country to make it to make the import and export net import zero. And that is why you can see that by 2020 we are forecasted to consume about $300 billion electronic goods. And in case we could realize our vision, we can translate that, in case we could minimize our import, we can translate into crores of job, 2.8 millions of job. And that is one thing. Other thing that we'll be able to retain our wealth and deploy for the benefit of the countrymen, for benefit of the youth, students, and citizens of this country. Further, I would share some data to you because it's just public data, but it is very important that you would know that India is doing very well in terms of entrepreneurship. We have started late, but you can see from the data that we have in India up to 2015, we had 3,100 startups, and now 800 startups have been added only in year 2014. That means you can yourself see that after 2014, we can see the lot of acceleration in terms of the people who are opting for entrepreneurship. About $2.9 billion of funding has been received in India in these ventures since 2010. And venture investment in Bangalore alone in year 2014-15 has been in the tune of $2.256 billion. So you can see that most of the investments have come only during the last year, and that is how we can see that we are going in a big way in terms of promotion and in terms of entrepreneurship, and that is how we are attracting a lot of investment across our verticals of entrepreneurship. We have got about 70 plus active VCs and about 550 angel investors in India. So that's very encouraging and very important for us to know that there is an entire ecosystem that is taking place for promotion of entrepreneurship, promotion of product creation, promotion of IPR creation within this country, so that not only we create jobs, not only we also save a lot of wealth for the country and provide those opportunities for the countrymen, provide enough job for all the hands of this thing, all the graduates that are coming up out of institutions. A lot has been talked. I think I would once again congratulate all the award winners, and I will also congratulate all those people who have not been given award, but they are exhibiting their products, because those are the entrepreneurs, those are the companies which have been picked up by states after due selection process, and I am sure that they carry a lot of potential and they will also be very successful. With this, I would conclude and wish you all the best, and I would congratulate all the participants, all the exhibitors, all the award winners, and all the recipients of STPI incubation certificate. Thank you very much.